as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some all the stuff that I don't even want to hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I hope you're having a good time. So I'm back down in my studio. It's gotten warm enough. It's not so cold down here. I've been doing watercolors elsewhere in the house because it's easy to do those anywhere. But we're gonna do some pour painting tonight, and we're gonna have some fun here in the studio. So let's go down to the canvas and I'll show you what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're going to work on a 12 by 12. This is an Artist Loft level 2 12 by 12 canvas. For the base coat tonight, we're going to be doing a bloom, or I'm thinking I'm going to do a deconstructed bloom. This is a custom beige from Sherwin Colors to Go. It was a mist dye, and let me get you the other color. Okay, so in this little Piggies, I have Funk. I have, let's see, that's Mermaid and Lakeside, Zeus, and Sangria. And then in my eye candy pigments, I have, let me see, Amaterasu Silver, Nebula Green, Kamenbudokai, and 14K Gold, which is to bring some bling. And I'm thinking I'm going to try and put 2 side-by-side blooms, and then we'll deconstruct. So let's get started. I got my hairdryer here. Oh, cell activators. That would be handy, wouldn't it? So this first one is a combination of Golden's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold with a little Amsterdam light gold added. This CA is Amsterdam Titanium White. There's a really good stir before we get started. And the last one is Amsterdam Blue Violet, which I think is going to work really well with this color combination. So those are our CAs. So let's get started by putting a base coat down. Now I'm probably going to be speeding this up, so probably at this point I'm going to put some music on, and you guys are going to have some fun listening and watching, and I'll come back in now and then to explain what we're doing. Because we're going to be tilting before we spin, I do want to make sure I sort of get the whole canvas wet so we don't have any issues with dry canvas.
Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for more. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make a move. Make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove. Nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Get to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit while we go for more. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Oh, shine a little tonight. Oh yeah, we can shine, shine a little tonight. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load.
I'm just going to clean up these edges a bit, and then I'll give you some wet results. Hang in there. All right, we have our wet results. Oh, I am pleased. I haven't been doing much pour painting lately. It's good to get back down here in the nice warmed up studio. I like the contrast of the two completely different colors schemes swirling in between. But I am pleased. So we're going to let this one dry and see what we think. See you in a little bit. Okay, we're not going to have dry results because it's taking forever to dry. I will note that I must have either left too much paint or I'm having a problem with the cell activator because some of the cells have sort of gone away. I still like it though. It still has beautiful coloring. It's about 50% dry. It's a little cool and damp here, so it's probably just going to take its slow all time drying up. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now, this is part of our Friday with Friends, so please follow all of the links, and have a wonderful weekend, everyone.